Welcome to Indaca Institute of Skills.
Search Google Colab and open it on new browser. Ask Gemini to extract building footprints of Kolkata or your choice of location and enter. Gemini will automatically produce your script. You just have to run it. If any error occurred in your script, it will show the error. And you have to again ask Gemini to, in that way like plot map, and accept the script and let it run. The building footprints has been extracted successfully, and now further the map was processing. Your map has been plotted, and further you can download the extracted shapefile from Colab file, and also can save the map as image format. Further, you can open that shape file in QGIS, and also can use it for other purpose also.